asked me recently to show a close-up of my footer tool. So I have several of them, but the one that I've been using lately is this one, and it has kind of a little double boop boop. And this is one that I made but I don't use very often. It has just a single one, and these may have been from the same knife. So when I make them, I cut this on an angle like that, and then I can use this side for one, and then I can use this side for another. So I could have done it the other way and cut it this way, but in any case, you get 2 out of every kitchen knife. And I use them to put a foot on my pots so I don't have to trim them, or I can just kind of fake trim them. So I'll go ahead and make a pot. I'm making this mug for tomorrow's Potters Rise Up demo. I'm hoping to make along with Beth. If this dries fast enough, I might have to force it dry. That's fine. I'll just use a heat gun or something and get it dry. So yeah, if you want, come to our meeting, make a pot real quick, get your heat gun out, because it needs to be leather hard, and she's going to be using underglazes. And I also thought it's a nice idea for people, if you won a mug, to bring it and drink something out of it and do a little show and tell. So I will definitely be drinking out of my mug from Beth, since I didn't win her mug, but we traded mugs, so I have one, and I love it. And I did win a mug, but I just don't have it yet. From Sonia Gloria Pottery. I'm so lucky I won that one. Okay, so you're just gonna have to wait and watch me make a mug first, because the footer comes at the end. Sitting a little low here. Oh shoot. I meant to make this thick to carve it, but I didn't. I'm gonna have to make another mug after this. Alright, whatever. Okay, oh well. This will be the footer demo mug. This is a ridiculously large mug because I used a whole pound so I could leave it thick, and then I got into making the video and I forgot to leave it thick. So this will be somebody's beloved humongous mug. Okay. But hopefully a great footer demo. Really, it's best if the camera's over here, but I can't move it right now. It's holding up a mirror and yada yada. So let's see if I can, I'll just come over here and do it on this side. Let me first do the rib. I don't know, yeah, you can see that. So I use this is called a magic rib. I learned this, how to make this tool from my mentor, T. Tenbin. That's a magic rib. I bet you can figure out how to make one yourself. If not, there's a tool making workshop on my website where I make all of the tools that I use, mostly modified more than make. I call this a modified tool. Okay, broccoli rubber band. And here comes the footer, what we've all been waiting for. I'll do it over here. I normally do it right over here at about 3:30, but I'll do it here. So I just slide in. If there's anything on the back, first I shave that off. And hopefully you can see it. I'm actually gonna do it here. I think you can see it. Straight in, straight out. Alright, now I gotta figure out what to do for tomorrow's demo, because I'm gonna probably have to open another bag. Ooh, no, I see some clay. I just saw some clay. I'm gonna have to open another bag anyway. Alright, let's see here. Lucky me. This is about 1/2 pound and okay. Let's make one. This is called wedging cheating. Let's make one thick one. Remember to make it thick. Okay. A little bit of carbonation in there. Get it? Air bubbles. Carbonated clay. Alright. Thick. Really takes some discipline. Okay. Popping the air bubbles as I go up. Okay. Go here. Thick. To say it out loud. Okay. I think that's hilarious. Carbonated clay. Yeah, I think I'll just make a little cylinder for learning the technique. I don't need to do anything fancy. Okay, and then we'll get to use that footer one more time. We'll just get the clay off the bottom. Leave a little separation at the top. Okay, that will be my pot. That's perfect to practice on a shitty little pot. Shitty little carbonated pot. Oh my god, that's my favorite new term. I think it's hilarious. Okay. And this guy, footer. No way!
It was amazing!
I almost was gonna come in and watch you. What?
Oh!
What? He's playing video games and you start off with 100 people and sometimes he wins and he just won. I like watching him play actually. He's pretty good at it. There we go. Something to carve up. Look at that. I don't think you can see it, but my 2 1-pound pots next to each other are hilarious. Okay, time to stop this. Here. Oy.